guys, welcome to Random Fandom, and today we're going to be checking out the commenting features of TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a free browser extension that allows you to do more things inside of YouTube, like optimize your SEO among many other things. And one of those things is managing comments on your videos. So as you can see, when you go to your YouTube dashboard, you have this extra button over here, and under here you have the comments button. And here is where your comments would normally show. But we'll go ahead and we'll just go ahead and go to my channel, since I don't have any comments right now that are being held for review. I'll just show you on one of my video pages. So let's just click on a video here, and we'll pause the video and let the comment section load in here. And here is vidIQ's comment tools. You can filter out by comments that have, profanity and that sort of thing. Here we have a word cloud for TubeBuddy, which let's see what that is. A visual representation of what people are saying on your videos. So if you can find out what people are saying and use that information for whatever you need. Here we have the emoji button, which TubeBuddy gives you. And these buttons down here for formatting. So let's just say I want to post a comment to check out my website. So I just do that. And then I post it. There's what the comment looks like. Here we have vidIQ's button. You can save it as a template. And here we just have some formatting controls. So basically, vidIQ has more options for like managing your comments, but TubeBuddy offers more formatting options. So if you was to make a comment using YouTube, that's what it would look like. But with TubeBuddy, you can do something like this. Make it bold, and you can make this link underlined, I think, maybe, or no, strike through or italics. Alright, so there you go. There's the difference. This pops off the screen a whole lot better than this. We'll go ahead and delete that comment anyways. But there you go. As you can see, TubeBuddy also gives you additional tools for commenting, and it's not just for your channel. It also works on other channels too. So if you want to be able to format your comments on any channel how you want easily, then you can do that. So for example, we'll just click on this video and we can post a comment on here. And we'll make it bold and italicized. And there it is. So for TubeBuddy, a suggestion would be to add in some filter options kind of like this. It'd be handy for managing comments on your channel. But that's not all the commenting tools anyways. We do have other things too. If we click over here, there's tools, comment moderation. You can see that you can have canned responses. So that's similar to the template that vidIQ has. It's just presented as nicely, I guess. Let's go ahead and remove the filter. So you can see there's the TubeBuddy button there. It only appears in the YouTube Studio, I guess, whereas vidIQ's appears in other places. No replies to that, so let's go ahead and drop a reply in there. And as you see, it took his channel name and put it in there, and thanks for watching. And I have my channel website in there, randomfandom.cf. So as you can see, this is a very nice way to reply to comments in a quick manner. And if someone suggests a topic, you can even add it to your video topic planner. So for example, let's just go ahead and do that here. To compare vidIQs, let's see what they have. Just a template tool here. So overall, I would say it's kind of a tie. It's nice that they have the integration for the channel topic planner, because a lot of people like to suggest channel topics for you, and that's really convenient. vidIQ doesn't have that, but vidIQ does have filtering options to, like, as you saw earlier, to filter out posts that have profanity and that sort of thing, so you can easily go through and remove them. While TubeBuddy offers more formatting options. So there you go. vidIQ has templates and filtering tools. TubeBuddy has templates, formatting tools, and the ability to add comments to your video topic planner. That's not to say that you can't filter anything inside of YouTube. You have the option to filter out like what contains questions, channel member status, response status, no filters. There's no profanity. So if you want to search for profanity, I guess you just have to type in a word and see if anyone said that. And it's not even reliable, I guess. There you go. That is TubeBuddy's commenting tools, and also a little comparison to what vidIQ offers. Anyways, thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe. And like I said, if you want to get TubeBuddy, it is free to download. It's in the description below. There's a link for it. You can also get vidIQ. It's fine. I don't get anything from it, but vidIQ is not as good as TubeBuddy in my opinion, but there are reasons to have both installed. So anyways, thanks for watching again, and be sure to like and subscribe.